Kraats Kaas BV was established in 1976 by Aart and Malaysia van der Kraats. This one-man company has grown into a modern cheese processing company in Hoogeveen. Despite the many innovations made over the years, the values and goals of the company remain unchanged. Customers can be sure of high personal involvement, flexibility, customer focus, and quality of the highest level. Furthermore, customers can be sure of a product which meets all the legal and customer-specific demands. Everything from quality and hygiene to processing and packaging methods meet these standards. Because of the continued growth, the company moved to its new production location in Hoogeveen in 2008. This building has a company floor space of over 9,000 square meters. Its location fulfills the highest demands in the area of hygiene, quality, and union regulations. A large part of the cheese is supplied by DOC Cheese. This company is located near Kraats, and this creates a high flexibility in supply and delivery. As soon as the cheese has reached the right age for production, it arrives at Kraats. The quality of the products is already guaranteed during the arrival of the raw material. This is registered with a barcode, and throughout the processing, the cutting, and grating, the cheese will be followed. All quality checks have been set in protocols and are stored in a fully automated system. Every product is traceable to within 2 minutes from the moment of arrival until the moment of final delivery. The cheese is stored in spaces with a constant temperature of 1 to 4 degrees Celsius. The processing takes place in production spaces which are fitted with overpressure and filters which provide clean room level air quality. Like all other machines and installations, the grating and cutting machines are of premium brands. This guarantees a qualitatively high-end product within the conditions you have set. Hygiene starts at our building and ends at your door. The flow of products within the production facilities has been separated completely to prevent cross-contamination. Strict regulations apply to the employees as well, such as wearing clean working clothes, clean company shoes, and a hairnet. These hygiene efforts have led to certification for IFS, the International Food Standard. An IFS certification is an important part for trade with Germany and France, but also with other European countries. BRC, British Retail Consortium. BRC sets the standards for products which are exported to England. BRC and IFS are both independent institutions which do not only test the hygiene and HACCP system within the company, but also the management structures, employee policy, and the customer service. Halal certification. Halal products meet the food demands which are prescribed in the Quran and which are very important to mainly Muslims. Not only hygiene but also checking plays an important part within the process. These checks start at the arrival of the raw materials and packaging materials and end with the final checking of the pallets before they are loaded onto the lorry. During the production process, supervision is constantly executed as well. These are weight checks, checks for leaking dishes, barcode checks, affluent oxygen checks, temperature checks, and optical checks. Kraats Kaas also performs quality checks in its own laboratory, which offers the possibility to execute all necessary tests, such as the composition of the products in, for example, dry matter, fat, protein, and salt. The taste, smell, shape, and color of the raw materials and the final product are checked here as well. Furthermore, the laboratory has also been fitted to examine the germination level, enterobacteria, yeasts and molds, and remaining important microbiological parameters. Because of its own on-site lab, Kraats Kaas can guarantee delivery of quality products. Next to quality, good service, certification, and a good end product, the company is environmentally aware. The heat recycling system can keep 80,000 litres of water at a constant temperature of 70 degrees Celsius. This water supplies the entire heating and warm water supply for the company, including the crate washing department. Thus, there is no use of natural gas. In this way, Kraats Kaas prevents the emission of carbon dioxide. Wrapping foil on the incoming products is suctioned off, ground up and pressed into bales, after which it can be used as fuel. Cardboard is collected and stacked for reuse. The coolers use ammonia as cooling agency and carbon dioxide as cooling carrier, both environmentally friendly substances. Everything that can be automated has been automated. In the production process alone, 9 robots are active. Because of this, less manpower is needed and the work is much more efficient, which keeps the costs low and reduces the chance of mistakes. The storage of the final product is fully automated. No human hands are used for this anymore. Because of a 100% functional FIFO system, first in, first out, the freshness of both the pallets with the same sort of cheese and the pallets with different sorts of cheese is guaranteed. This system has been especially designed for Kraats and is continually brought up to date. The administration is fully automated as well. As soon as a warehouse employee has closed an order, further processing of the data is automatic. This provides a high level of transparency in the running of the company. Kraats Kaas can also receive orders via EDI messages, after which the delivery notice and invoice are returned via EDI. Kraats Kaas delivers throughout Europe and beyond. The company processes all well-known types of cheese, amongst which Gouda, Edam, Maasdam, Emmentaler, Tilsiter, Butterkäse, cheddar, mozzarella, organic cheeses from young to old, and herbal cheeses. These cheeses can be processed into cut, grated, cubes, and cheese breads. We offer these in diverse weights, sizes, and packages, such as our own house style, private label, neutral, or specific packages. Kraats Kaas delivers to wholesale businesses specialized in deliveries to wholesale users, bakery wholesale businesses, industrial bakeries, cash and carry markets, meat processing industry, and caterers in different branches. For more information and possibilities for your company, you can contact the representation of Kraats Kaas BV or visit our website www.kraatskaas.com.